Hello and welcome to another Chao on Tour. This time we are in London in United Kingdom and we are at Covent Garden. And once again we are here at Present Arabica. This is the fourth country that I've been to. Come and let's find out what they have to offer here. So the most popular drink here apparently is Spanish latte, as it is everywhere. So I'm just going to cut the queue here and talk to our friendly barista. Hello. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So this is my first time here at Present Arabica in London. Tell me what's special here.
So the best seller is the Spanish latte.
Right.
So it's sweetened with condensed milk. But here we have the Kyoto one, which is less sweet. It also has condensed milk inside.
Okay. Which one would you recommend for someone who has never tried a drink with condensed milk?
So I would say it's really depend on you.
Right.
So if you like sweet coffee, I would say Spanish latte is the best choice.
Okay.
But if you don't really like sweet coffee, I would say single origin, flat white, Americano. Yeah, because our single origin at the moment is El Salvador, so it's more citrusy, it's more fruity. So
Okay, so I'm going to let my friend try it. So I think, and she prefers it to be less sweet. Can we have the Kyoto latte then?
Yeah.
Kyoto latte is very similar to Spanish latte, except that do you use the different beans or is
So
it the
it's the
roast?
same. So we use the house blend, which
Okay.
is Brazil Ethiopian mix.
Right.
So it has like a chocolatey nutty flavor. I
Okay.
would say for the condensed milk, it's the best option.
Okay,
So I wouldn't choose.
we'll have the Kyoto latte.
Yeah.
Okay, and how much is it?
So it depends if it's iced or hot.
We'll have it hot. Hot, yes. My friend says hot.
Which size?
Just this side. Yeah.
And regular. Yeah.
Right, really. How much is it?
$3.90.
That's £3.90. That's about I would say about $5 US. Not too bad. That's the going rate. So I just tap my card. Okay.
That's right.
There you go. Done. Right. So we'll have a look at how you make it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And your order number will be 42, and we'll pass you at the end of the line.
Okay.
So we'll pass it to the end. This is
Right. And what's your name?
Evelyn.
This is Evelyn from Present Arabica at Covent Garden in London. This is not a very big shop here. It is just really their first branch here at Covent Garden or in London. This is a very busy area. I love this place. And yes, we are going to find out how their Kyoto latte tastes like. What did you have? Kyoto latte, how do you like it?
That's good.
Good? Yeah.
I usually have a Spanish latte.
Yes.
And that's more sweet.
It's better. You like it better? Okay, we're actually having the same one, the Kyoto latte. Who's preparing my drink? Are you the one? You are? Emma. Emma is preparing my drink here. That is lovely. Thank you very much. That is good. Very smooth, especially when it's very cold out there. This is the perfect drink for me. Not too sweet. And you use what type of coffee beans do you use for this?
Blend.
It's a blend. It's the house blend, right? Okay, that's Emma talking, and she just made my Kyoto latte. Hi, Debbie. Hi. She's going to try this Kyoto latte. She's never tried anything with condensed milk before, right? Never?
No.
There's Kyoto latte from Present Arabica.
Thank you.
And tell us what you think.
Oh, that is nice. Very smooth.
Yeah. What do you think of the sweetness level?
I do like it. I like it. I don't usually, but I do like it. It's very naturally sweet. Not too much.
Let's try the iced matcha.
So the iced matcha is also right. If it's full ice.
Right.
And the hot matcha usually is 4 ounces.
Okay, so we'll get this one, and the iced matcha for this one. Okay, thank you. Thank you. And regular milk, right? Yeah. Are all the baristas required to be beautiful? Okay, let's have a look at how they make their matcha.
So usually what we do, we put ice, we measure everything. So it was regular milk, so I put regular milk, which is 240, yeah, 50. And we have a matcha base.
You prepare it in advance?
Yes, because we have a couple of matcha orders. So, yeah, 60. We give a good shake.
That's very easy.
Yeah, at the moment, yeah. And this is the iced matcha.
Thank you.
And the straw will be the Arabica.
We got another hot matcha here. And who made it?
Lovely oven.
What's your name, please? Okay, hi. Thank you very much. We didn't ask for that, but thank you so much.
So we have a prepared sugar syrup. So if you don't like it's too harsh.
Oh wow, that's quite a good idea.
So here's what's special here. So they don't put any sweetener in their drinks.
In general,
Yes, but they give you the optional sugar syrup in a pot.
That's a really good idea.
Let's skip this. Shall we skip this?
No, do it.
Really?
Yeah. Well, shall I taste it first?
Yes, I don't really like sweetener with my matcha, so I'll skip it.
I've never had matcha.
I've never had matcha.
Sweetener.
Okay. Right. What do you think?
I prefer it with the sugar syrup.
It's sugar syrup. Okay,
Yeah.
there you go. So it is quite handy that Present Arabica here at Covent Garden has this special syrup in a pod. Yeah, it's perfect. And how? Cheers. This is mine is hot. I like it. It's very smooth. And you know, with just the color itself tells you how good a matcha is. With this vibrant green, this means they are using good matcha. But well, this is Present Arabica, which is a chain that originated from Japan in Kyoto. So it will be a shame if they don't serve good matcha. Thank you again, Evelyn and the crew. Emma,
Thank you.
For giving us this drink to try. And yes, I approve. Do you?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Today I'm very pleased to be here. The baristas are extremely friendly. The coffee is good, as Debbie said, and we'll come back again. If you have any questions, do let us know. Comment below, and don't forget to click that subscribe button for more on this Chao on tour video. In the meantime, stay safe, take care, stay warm. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.
Thank you.